everyone, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. In this channel you can able to see so many educational videos based on the subject maths. And today's video is about how to find prime numbers. Not only by finding factors, it is going to take so much time. You are going to find the factors and you have to count and you have to check whether it is having more than 2 or less than 2, and then you should find out. So it is going to be a little bit headache. So that is the reason we are having one method to find out prime numbers between 1 to 100. So that method we are going to observe this today's class. Before starting into the topic, please share, like, subscribe my channel. Now let's start the topic. So to find out the prime numbers, we have a method. So for each and every method we have some steps. So what are the steps? We'll just go through it, and after that we will just find out the prime numbers. So what is the step 1? Cross out 1 because it is not a prime number, because we all know that 1 is a unique number. That we already discussed in the previous class, that what is prime number, what is composite number, and how to find multiples of a given question. That we completed in the previous class. So that by that we can say that 1 is not a prime number, because 1 is having only one factor that doesn't come under either prime number or composite number. Now what is the second step? He is saying encircle 2. Cross out all the multiples of 2 other than 2 itself. That is 4, 6, 8 and so on. So what the second step he is saying to us is just cross out all the multiples of 2 except 2. Other than 2 in this table, just cross out all the multiples of 2. That's what his problem is. So we will just go through this. So first question, he said that you are going to strike off 1. So we will strike off 1 now. Now we will go with another color. To strike off 2. This one is going to strike off the multiples of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. In other words, just leave 2 digits and you can strike off, or alternate digits you can strike off. All these are multiples of 2, because each and every even number is a multiple of 2. That we know, because each and every even number will be divided by 2. That is the definition of an even number. So that is the reason I am just going to strike off all the digits which are ending by 2, and now all the digits which are going to end by 4, and all the digits which are going to end by 6, and all the digits which are going to end by 8, and all the digits which are going to end by 0. This is the second step he said to us. Now what is the third step is? You'll find out the next uncrossed, you'll find out the next uncrossed number is 3. So what is the next number we have? 3. Encircle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3 other than 3 itself. So the same way we are going to cross out all the multiples of 3. Now I am going to select a color of purple over here. Okay, that's we already selected, so we'll go for another color. We will go for pink. We can see turquoise color we will select now. Now with this color we are going to do cross out. So before going to that, we are going to cross out all the multiples of 3. That is 3 2s are 6. Okay, this is also combining with the, so we'll go with another color, that is yellow. It will not. So we are going to cross out all the multiples of 3 with yellow. Okay, I selected green now to see it very clearly. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 tens are 30. 11 threes are 33. 12 threes are 36. 13 threes are 39. 14 threes are 42. 15 threes are 45. 16 threes are 48. 17 threes are 51. 18 threes are 54. 19 threes are 57. And 20 threes are 60. Just strike off 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Just you can leave, you can do even in that way also, just leaving 3 digits, and we can go for that. So in that way I done. Now next thing is uncrossed number is 5. So with the help of now we are going to strike off all the multiples of 5. Now we are going to strike off all the multiples of 5 now. So this is very simple. Just you can strike off in this way. The numbers which are going to end when the last digits are 5, then you can strike off those digits. And 0. Numbers which are going to end with 0, 5, those numbers we can strike off. And next, continue the process till all the numbers in the list are either encircled or crossed out. Okay, so actually the next number is 7. So with this next number we can go for the another color, that is brown. Now 7 tables, 7 2s are 14, it is already strike off. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 11 7s are 77, 12 7s are 84, 13 7s are 91, it is already strike off. 14 7s are 98, it is also strike off. So next we will go with purple. This one we will select very dark border. Next number uncircled is 11. So 11 table 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and this is already completed. And next is 13. So now the numbers which are left over, that numbers we will circle with the black pen. We'll just go with where is this? Okay, this is black. Now we are going to highlight the numbers which are left. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 91, 97. So these are the numbers left. Seven, 41, 43, 47, 53, shit. '53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 91, 97. So these are the numbers which are having only two multiples, nothing but here prime numbers. So the method, see, continue this process till all the list. Okay, this is completed, and all the encircled numbers are prime numbers. All the crossed out numbers other than 1 are called composite numbers. Other than 1 are called composite numbers, and this method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. So the method which we tried just now, the striking of these things, is called sieve of Eratosthenes, and it is a Greek. It is the name of the Greek mathematician Eratosthenes. He just created this method, so that is the reason he kept his name only sieve of Eratosthenes. By using this procedure, we can find out all the prime numbers. In this is a special method of finding prime numbers. I hope you understand this video. So in this class, we just learned about how to find prime numbers with the help of a Greek mathematician, that is sieve of Eratosthenes. Before going outside, wash your hands thoroughly. Cover your face with a mask. Clean the objects properly. Try to avoid crowded places. Don't touch your eyes, mouth and nose. Cook it thoroughly and eat that food. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please share, like, subscribe my channel.